Hey guys, here is an intermediate level jazz solo over There Will Never Be Another You to help you stop noodling or guessing, full of great bebop language that I've stolen from players such as Chet Baker, Blue Mitchell and Clifford Brown. If you want the solo, the link is in the description and the comment. Feel free to comment below for any solo that you might like me to create for free next. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos where I always post a free piece of content along with a video.